Okay, to solve this problem, I have to click and download that Excel file. And it went into my downloads, but I can also look in the download folder. Okay, I can see it in my list that I downloaded today. Importantly, if I download it again, it'll say, hey, you already have one with that file name. So it'll add like a 1 or a 2 or whatever so that I can keep them straight. So then you can see that empty 1 versus the empty. I can open up that file. For me, my Mac often wants to use numbers instead of Excel, so I have to explicitly tell it I want to use Excel. And now I need to put 89 in cell B6. So I go to B6 and I type 89. Now I need to save this, so I can say File, Save. Then I can upload it here. I can go to my downloads. You can see if I open that empty one, it'll say, yo, it doesn't match the accepted file. So I need to upload that one with the correct name, and then I can save and grade. Oh man, maybe this happened to you. I didn't look. They actually want me to rename the file. So I need to call it cell edit. So I'll copy that. And in here, I can save as. And instead of empty, it'll be cell edit. I'll save it. And now I can upload that cell edit version. I'll click save and grade. Okay, and now I got my points.